Hey ladies, so it's Mickey. It is this 22nd of August. I wanted to remind y'all that I did make a like a internet poll thing where you can guess the baby's gender, you can guess the weight, the birthday, and all that fun information. It's just something really fun to do and interesting to see how many people think, you know, different things. There's parts where you can totally leave something out, you know, like last name or city or whatever if you want to. Totally fine. And I'll just post that link below. I will be posting the gender reveal tomorrow because we did tell my in-laws yesterday and that went really well. So today I just want to be able to make the video. But first I have an appointment to get to and some things to get done, and then I'll work on it and post it first thing in the morning. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.